Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to this quick demo video for the DataWorks work cycle for this fall. Quite a bit of what we've been doing is fairly difficult to show you, but there are a few things that I can demo for you today in our experimental prototype UI. We've been doing some work on the facets to respond to user feedback we got during user testing last summer. Users felt that the separate creators and contributors facets were confusing because it wasn't clear what the distinction was between those two different categories. So we have merged these into a single contributors facet that we have then deduplicated. We also got some feedback that having both a providers and a publishers facet was confusing because it wasn't clear how these were different. We decided that the providers facet, which represents the source of the metadata that we're displaying in the records, was mostly useful to the project team and not to the users, so we have just simply removed that provider facet from the UI entirely. The other thing that we've done in response to user feedback from the summer was to add a formats facet. And we have also converted all the entries in this facet into user-friendly language. The other work that we've been doing is on the record pages, like the one you see here. The first thing we've done is to combine the creators and contributors into a single deduplicated list in this display as well, instead of having the separate lists. Another thing that we've done is that when there's an ORCID ID present in the record, we're displaying this little green ORCID ID badge and linking it to the record for that individual. Another thing you'll notice on this page is that we are displaying author affiliations. If that affiliation metadata includes a research organization registry or ROR ID, we are pulling out the country information from the ROR metadata and displaying the appropriate country flag. So you can see most of these are the US, but this one here is the Netherlands, and these are in the UK. And then we are also linking to the ROR record for the organization. So that's all I have to show you this week. Stay tuned for future demo videos from this work cycle.